Welcome back, everyone. So as you can see, this is our fabric that we're going to use for our trouser. It's a crepe material. So we are going to start with the measurements. So I've folded it as you can see. And please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do that and watch my video down to the end. So let's get started with our measurements. First, I will go with my length, and then it will have a band. So I will subtracting from my band waist 2 inches, and then to measure my length. So my length is 41 inches, adding the hem allowance. I'm adding up to 2 inches on it. So that means is 43 inches that we have for our length. So that is the 43 inches that I have here now. So after that now, I'll go ahead now to take my crush length, which is, I'm making it up to 12 inches. So that's my 12 inches there now. And what I folded here is 13.5 inches. So that is the length there now. So after that now, I will start with the proper measurement. So I will use my hip. My hip is 41 inches, 42 inches. That is 10.5 inches. So that is what I will use. So let me make it up to that 11 inches. So that's my 11 inches that I'm marking there now. So I will just give it a straight line like this. So after that now, I will now measure my waist, and it will have elastic. So we'll not use our proper measurement for the waist because of our elastic. So I will make it up to 40 inches. I hope you are seeing it. So that's my 40 inches. And then this is our hip measurement already. So what I will just do, I will now connect my lines like this from that my waist to my hip. So that is what I'm doing here now. So I've connected it like this. So now to get my crush now, so I will add up to 2.5 inches, and that is it here. So I've marked it. So to get my curve, I'm marking 1 inch like this and using my roller to curve it. So that is it now. So it will be bogus. The trouser will not be pencil like that. So what I will just do now, I will mark 12.5 inches like this. 12.5 inches to the down length, and then connect it together like this. You can see that it's very easy to cut this kind of trouser. So using my tape rule, because it's longer, to mark the lines like this, and then connect it to that our crush line there. So that is it now. So our trouser is set now to cut out. So what I will do now, just cut it. So remember, what we are cutting now is the front piece of the trouser. So let me cut it out now. So this is the cutting of the front, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also have your fabric so that you can cut along with me like this and sew your own trouser by yourself and wear it out. So this is the front now. So I will use this one now. There is the front piece now to cut the other part. But for the waist side, let me also cut out the side of it like this. So that is for the waist side of it. So it will have a very small shape here now. So at least our trouser will have a shape there. So I'll spread out the back piece now using the front to lean on it now, as you can see. And remember, for the front piece, we didn't add any allowance on it, so now I want to add allowance. So I'm adding up to 2.5 inches at the cross side of it like this, and then roll it. So I will also add 2 inches to this side like this, 2 inches. So that's my 2 inches. And remember, the back piece will be longer. So this is the front piece now. So I place my tape to mark 2 inches to make it longer at the back piece. Why doing that? Because of the bumper, remember that. So then I will curve my cross line like this. So now I will use my ruler to just connect it. On this side of it, it will be equal. So just for this place to be longer, that is where we added that 2 inches. So you can see the way I place my ruler like this, and then connect it to this point. So this point will be equal now. I hope you are getting it. So that is it. So now to add our sewing allowance now, I will add up to that 2.5 inches like this. So 2.5 inches is what I will add throughout to make it balanced, so that by the time I want to sew it, will have our sewing allowance on it. So then I will just cut now. So I will cut it now. So I want you to see it like the upper side now. So after cutting, I will also shift it up a bit so that you can see what I'm doing. So let me cut. So using the front is what we are using to cut out the back piece. And then after cutting it now, I will just take it to the machine and go and sew. And it will have elastic, and we are using 2 inches elastic for it now. So that's what I'm going to join my pants together now. So using 1/2 inch to join all the bodies, that's what I did. So let me face the band and the elastic for the waist. To cut the band now, so I've folded my material that I will use. So I'm using it by 2.5 inches. So then I will cut. So that is the band now that we are going to use for the skirt waist. 2.5 inches band is what I'm using, and we'll now use it to pass around the waist of the trouser and also add our elastic on it. I'm going to fix the band now, and I use 1 inch to open the place that will pass our elastic, and this is our elastic, 1 inch elastic and the safety pin. So I'll go ahead now to fix it like this and to drag it gently and fix it around the waistband, and then our trouser will be ready. So let me quickly do that now. So this I'm going to do it now and pass it through. Our pant is ready to wear out now. As you can see the waistband now. This is the 1 inch elastic band that we use for the waist, and this is the length of the trouser now. So this I will come to this cutting of the trouser for today. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and please also share it for others to see. And if you don't understand this video, please watch it again so that you can see the way we cut it and sew for yourself. Please, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.